the statement or the media, I think the conference that His Eminence Cardinal Ranjit had yesterday, which appears separately as article on Divina.com newspaper, Sinhala newspaper. Here he says, with regard to the attacking of Gautama Buddha statues in Mavanella and the subsequent details, it had been recommended by the Sri Lanka Police Department officials to take into custody Zahran. Okay, so Zahran is the leader, apparently, as we see today, according to the information available, who had carried out and planned the Easter carnage. So, and during the Easter day. So actually, the police, His Eminence Cardinal Ranjit says, Sri Lanka Police Department had at that time had recommended the arrest of, the Zahran for damaging the Gautama Buddha statues in Mavanella. Well, the thing is, according to the, Gautama Buddha's teachings, statues are not the important thing, because Gautama Buddha, as a teacher, you can't have statues of a teacher once you come out of your school, either your, school or college or university. Do you make statues of the teacher and then, keep flowers and lamps and worship and kneel down worship and pray to the teacher? No, you have to do what the teacher say. That's what you are supposed to do. That is the reason, the same reason exactly why Gautama Buddha never asked anyone to make any statues of him. Okay, he never asked anyone to light, this whatever, these sticks that give like a smell, right? Those things, or candles we don't do in Buddhism, but even oil lamps, coconut oil lamps, or whatever the things. Gautama Buddha never ever said anything like that. But with regard to inquiry about this matter as to how to continue, things after once one of the monks, novice monks, asked Gautama Buddha a question. As a novice monk at that time, he did not know anything. He just asked how to proceed once you pass away, sir. As a teacher, how to proceed? We don't have a teacher there. Then Gautama Buddha said, once I die, please follow my teachings. Then that monk asked, well, some of your teachings may not be understood by the normal, ordinary, brain developed, mind developed people. Will that be okay? Then in that case, this novice monk asked to have your, he proposed either Gautama Buddha. Then they discussed and they said, okay, then if you think it's necessary, okay, that way you can do, and you can have the statues or bow tree, or that stupa, like a modern nuclear dome of a nuclear power station. In Buddhist temples we have a dome like a thing that's called a stupa statue, like a chaitya, uh, or like to the church you have, like in a Buddhist temple, the main things are, you have a bow tree, you have like that structure, the hume, like in a nuclear power station, the dome, the nuclear power dome. Similarly, in a Buddhist temple you get like a structure, white color, that's called, at the top you have a stupa, and the whole structure is called a chaitya. And now, similar to a church, the different version you have in the Buddhist temple is the where you have all the past events erected as in statues inside with different percentage. You can go through it and watch as you are going through a museum and watching. So those things they have. Well, that's of course no teacher have never said like that to do those things. But as because of a discussion, Gautama Buddha, during a discussion only, they said, okay, once you pass away, we will do this for people to remember what you as a teacher, because teacher is no more. It's very difficult for people to know what the teacher said, right? After all, if the teacher who describes everything and teach is no more, and if there are no previous textbooks or subject matter as in modern subjects in syllabuses today in the universities, then once the teacher is no more and there's no documentation also, the monks argued, okay, that is very difficult to follow for others, and besides your teachings are very high intelligence with a high IQ level, about 1000 IQ level compared to Albert Einstein's 162 IQ level, and that Sri Lankan British girl's IQ level of 165. Then in that case, these monks said during discussions in Bharat, the great Bharat at that time, have like a temple, and this Gautama Buddha's standing statue and a seated posture statue, and that like a museum thing inside where you get all others personalities, historical these statues, and a bow tree, and this nuclear power plant like a dome, like a which you call the chaitya in white color. Then that's how it came up, and there's no teaching whatsoever about this statue. So that is the reason, same reason. I think the president, now Cardinal Ranjit, has taken this up issue, and he said during His Eminence Cardinal Ranjit says during the Mavanella destruction to the Buddhist statues by Saharan, even though the police have requested his arrest, right? At that time, now His Eminence Cardinal Ranjit says the President Maithripala Sirisena had said, we don't want to put something like this in Sinhala. අහ කියන්න නයි රෙද්දස්සේ දා ගැනීමට අවශ්‍ය නැහැ. In Sinhala that means stray snakes, stray cobras or stray, yeah, it depends to in Sinhala cobra. Nai means cobra probably in this context. Such venomous snakes it refers to. We don't want to put stray snake inside my sarong. Right, something like that, or my bed sheet, or my bed pillow, or my sarong, or my dress. That's what he said. So it's like a traditional way of communication. That means I don't want to get any unnecessary problems to me because of this. Some other people, doing these things. After all, Saharan cannot do the destructions of the Mavanella Gautama Buddha statues. Neither Gautama Buddha taught to the followers to have statues also. So both are wrong here. Saharan cannot destroy the property in the temple, which is a statue here of Gautama Buddha. Neither Gautama Buddha asked anyone to do statues like this. So both have done. That's why typically, correctly, President Maithripala has said this. So that has to be respected. That not to say now His Eminence Cardinal Ranjit arguments are foolish, because just because he said that, it doesn't mean criminal negligence. How can that be? That is a very stupid argument by His Eminence Cardinal Ranjit. So I think it won't work this way. This way things won't work at all. And these arguments and counter arguments just start a waste of the valuable time of educated, intelligent people in this country. The waste of time on this matter.